cause you know a girl poppin'.
I'm a high girl, so you know it's just real ass niggas give a fuck about a bitch.
Okay. Hey everybody, it's Naturally Ann here, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And if you're and if you've been here before, welcome back, me and more. This lip gloss just kind of just like psh. But anyway, in today's video I'm just going to be showing you guys how I maintain my sew-in, basically. So this hair is literally from the beauty supply. It's beauty supply bundles though, like it's not the pack hair. And the way that the guy was selling it was 2 packs was like the price of 1 bundle from like anywhere else you can get it. And this is 12 grade 12A hair or whatever. Like I don't know all that stuff, but I'll learn about it so I can tell y'all, because that's what I like to do. But yeah, this hair is really thick, and like when I first got it I felt like it was really shiny and like didn't match my hair texture at all, so I was really excited to end up getting a closure. My friend Aaliyah did my hair. I will leave her information in this video link down in the description because my sis snapped. Okay, so I've had this sew-in. Today is the hell, whatever, it hasn't even been a month yet though. So I just washed it today. Like when I first got it I co-washed it, and you know I let it air dry. Then she braided me up, then she sewed the hair in and everything. I didn't blow dry it that day, but I did like kind of run a flat iron through it to get it straight. And then when New Year's came I tried to curl my hair with the flat iron, but it just wasn't going well because of the flat iron that I have. Like I don't straighten my own hair, so I don't have just like good flat irons. Flat irons that I used today weren't good flat irons, but you know they got the hair straighter than what it was before. So yeah, on New Year's I ended up like trying to put some flat iron curls in it, and then I went over to my friend's house and she had her wand curler plugged up. So then I was just like, all right, boom, let's throw some wand curls up in here. So that's what I did for New Year's. And then after that, you know, I just straightened it again, and then I danced, and I know just oily, sweaty, all of that. So I just washed my hair today, and this is what we're looking like. It's really soft. As far as shedding, there is shedding. While I was doing my hair it was kind of an annoying amount, but any other time I don't really get shedding. Like just during the day, if I'm just going throughout the day, I don't brush my hair like 1,000 times, but when I do brush it, it does, you know, a few little strands come out, but that's because I haven't touched the hair, and of course it gets tangled up, but it doesn't get tangled up to the point where it's like, oh, I hate it. But yeah, so you know, this hair is pretty cool. And like I said, they were doing it at the beauty supply, 2 packs for like 2 packs of 16-inch for like $75. So how I got my hair, I have 14, 16, and 18, and then a little closure at the top that was like $8 or something. It low-key was probably like $5. But my hair was $120 because like I said, they were doing the 2 packs, but they only had 1 pack of 16-inch left, and that's as long as I wanted it. So what I did was got, you know, 14, 16, 18, and he basically just, for the 2 packs, you know, he just made me pay for 1. I don't know why that seems so hard to explain, but basically like my 14-inch was $30, my 14-inch was $30, 16-inch was whatever, you know, and I ended up paying $120 at the end of the day. Like low-key less than that. It was $120 because I bought something else with the hair, but I can't remember what I bought other than the closure, but I bought the closure later. Okay, anyway. So yeah, that's all about my hair. So if you're interested in how I maintain it, how I wash it and take care of it as I wear it, keep on watching this video. The shampoo that I used was So the shampoo that I used was John Frieda London, Paris, New York Full Repair Revives Overworked Hair Full Body Shampoo. Weightlessly prepares to restore full style for damage from frequent heat styling and coloring. And I just use this because this is like probably the only shampoo that I have right now that's not like strictly for natural hair. And I noticed that when I use strictly for natural hair stuff on bundles, it weighs the hair down really badly because it's made for thicker hair and stuff like that. So I used this shampoo and it went really well. I shampooed it twice. My hair was really dirty, low-key, because I kind of just be going to sleep. Like, sometimes I wrap my hair, but sometimes I don't. Like, sometimes I just end up falling asleep. But it's a sew-in, so I don't be caring. I just wake up, brush it out, and we be good. But yeah, so that's the shampoo that I use. And then I use my Aussie Moist conditioner to condition my hair. Left it in for about 5, maybe 10 minutes, rinsed it out. And then what you guys didn't see was, wow, I'm explaining it now instead of doing the voiceover. But I don't like doing voiceovers. I like actually talking to y'all. So anyway, I blow dried it. And this part you guys didn't see, but it kind of took a long time to blow dry. Like, this hair, it just was not trying to be dry. So I'm just shaking the blow dryer. Shaking, going up and down. I got this brush. I got this brush and I'm just shaking and shaking. My camera battery had died at this point. That's why I didn't record it. But yeah, so that happened. And then I had to flat iron with these trash flat irons that don't have temperature control. But despite all of those struggles, this is how we look now. You see me? Yes. Okay, so yeah. And at the end of this video, you guys will be finding out what I will be giving away for my 500 subscribers. If you have not already entered into my giveaway, please head over to my Instagram account so you can see the rules on how to enter the giveaway. And follow me, because that's part of how you are going to enter into the giveaway, by being one of my Instagram followers. Because if you don't follow me, then you can't be entered. That's just how it's working. So boom, let's get into the video. Little intermission. so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was a little bit helpful for people who probably have never had to wash their own sewing or anything like that. So the giveaway, I'm picking 5 winners, 5 for 500. The first winner is going to be getting hair products from LJ Essentials, because I love LJ Essentials. I use their hair butter, and she also has shampoo and conditioner. She has a whole line of products. For the second winner, I'm going to be hitting up my girl from Central Michigan University. Her name is @_Layla Lashes on Instagram. For the first Instagram page, that's @LJ Essentials on Instagram. But Layla Lashes, I'm going to be purchasing 2 pairs of lashes from her for the second winner. For the third winner, I'm going to be giving away a t-shirt from Blessed Apparel. Well, Blessed Network is really what the Instagram account is, but that's my home skillet from Central as well. What's up, PD? I'm giving away a clothing item from there. Actually, no, I'm not saying clothing item. It's going to be a t-shirt. I'm going to be giving away a t-shirt. So, and for the fourth winner, you're going to get a $20 gift card to Ulta. And for the fifth winner, you're going to get a $10 gift card to Ulta. So yeah, that's the prizes that I'm going to be giving away. The winner will be chosen on January 31st. The prizes will be shipped out immediately after the winner is chosen. So you guys will be getting your prizes before, well shoot, I mean in the first week of February, not before. So yeah, 5 winners. First prize, hair products from LJ Essentials. Second prize, lashes from Layla Lashes. Third prize, t-shirt from Blessed Network on Instagram. Fourth prize, a $20 gift card to Ulta. And the fifth prize is a $10 gift card to Ulta. So that concludes what I will be giving away for my 5 for 500. To enter into this giveaway, please be sure to follow me on Instagram @_naturallyann and watch my IGTV video. Leave a comment on that video. I'm not giving any more information because at the end of the day, you need to get on that phone, get on Instagram, and type my name in and enter my giveaway. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one, and yeah, peace.